Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am out here again at my home course, Darby Creek Golf Course in lovely Marysville, Ohio. Out here playing a little 9-hole round, and let me tell you that this round was actually filmed in June. We had a cold front blow through. It is literally was like a high of 54 this day. A nice summer Ohio day. Some of the strongest winds I have ever played in. I'm talking 20, 25, 30 mile per hour gusts made the course play exceptionally hard. When you had a hole going into the wind, you would lose at least 20, 25, 30 yards off of your tee. When you had to hit into the crosswinds, your ball would blow 15, 20 yards either left or right. That's right here. Another exceptional up and down. Starting out my round. Holes 1 and 2. Exceptional up and downs. I will take it. But the wind was just challenging to say the least. Now, they say when it's breezy, swing easy. And that is something you can live by when it's windy out. It's so hard when it's windy. You think, like right here on this tee, a typical 3 for me is going of easily about 220 yards. As you see there, I was dead in the wind, 194. When you get that wind and you feel that wind, you think like, man, I need to swing extra hard. I need to give it a little extra oomph. But really, all you end up doing when you swing extra hard with a lot of wind is you hit it extra spinny. You get a lot of spin on it, and it just gets ate up. Or your swing goes to absolute Jabron City, USA, and you end up having a horrible ball strike, and you end up in an absolute shitty situation because of your strike. So that's why it really is best when it's super windy. Just take it easy. Nice controlled swing. Just worry about contacting the ball. If you can, try to hit some knockdown shots. Let it get below the wind if possible. And you can still score decently low for the bros. And here's an example of the wind. Look at that ball go left. That's all wind right there. All wind. And now these last few holes, it is blowing, and you'll see why, because on this hole number 6 I have the wind to my back. 290 plus yards with a 3 on this par 5. Then I think I hit a pitching wedge. I was like 170 out, and I hit a pitching wedge. I mean, you don't hit many pitching wedges into par 5 greens. Eagle opportunity, tap it in for the birdie. I will take it. First bird cinch of the day. And right here, again, now I'm facing into the wind. I hit a 9 iron, which is typically my 165 club. That 9 iron went 115 yards. And here, again, is a prime example of this wind. I hardly rolled that putt by the hole. It slopes down past. That wind blows it completely off. How's that even possible? And this is a first for me right here. That's bullshit. This is a weekend hack first. This is a 2-putt green and regulation bogey. You don't get many of those. That is very rare. To get a 2-putt green and regulation bogey just shows you the wind and the conditions. They are tough. And right there was a bad tee. I blew into the tall stuff. Second time I had been in the tall stuff. It's in the tall stuff on hole 4, on hole 8. And here is just the 3rd exceptional up and down for par of the day. Great putt. My putting, I must say, has been absolutely next level. And again, got a little wind to my back. 263 yards with the 3. I just hit a light pitching wedge up and on. Have a legit birdie chance here to end out my 9. but I just leave it. Sally, Jesse, Raphael. But all in all, for as much wind as we had, again, I am clocking in with another 38 plus 2. Fairways and regulation 3 of 7, greens 4 of 7, 15 putts, no 3 putts on the day. It was really another day that I feel like I could have went really, really low. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate every single person who watches my vlogs. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next vlog.